Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? Welcome to another renovation episode in Lagos, Nigeria. If you guys have been following the episode, I'm just essentially walking you through renovating this apartment from the beginning to the end. And last time we talked about the painters getting ready to like screed and get all the surfaces ready, and how all the walls we've broken to run pipes, electrical wires, shower glass, flooring upstairs all installed, and then how they're starting the carpentry work. So let's see how far they've gone today. Whew. As you can see, this place is a hot mess. For sure, you can see they have started screeding, which is like, the screeding is just the idea of making the walls smooth back again. So all of that is being done. All the imperfections is being covered. All the AC, plumbing and pipes and all of that stuff. We got this for this dining area. It's all good. All right. Okay, well done. Good morning. So you can see the framing of the cabinetry is already being put in place. The heat extractor is installed. And this is gonna be an L-shaped cabinetry. The one that was here before was completely brought down. And then we're now putting new ones in there. So yeah, looks like the guy's still screeding. Come and see what screeding is. So yeah, he's screeding to make the wall smooth to get ready for painting. So that will cover all of these irons. You guys see all the wirings that we do here. He'll come and screed and cover all of it before we start painting. All right, so let's go upstairs. TV wall has already started here. Screeding is already done. The dressers of the room are already here. Screeding is definitely done already in this room. And it looks like that guy might be putting the first coat of paint in here, of painting. Hold on. Okay, looks like he started painting some of the ceiling edges here. Cool, come and check out this room. As you guys can see, remember all these like wiring that was here and here. A lot of it is all screeded and covered. Okay, all right. Bossman, well done. Good morning. So what he's putting together now is the framework for the walk-in closet that's gonna be on this side. So yeah, so that's what he's working on. This one is the dresser that would be on the wall. Come and check it out, guys. So yeah, so this one, the dresser that's gonna be here with the TV, this one, walk-in closet. Let's check out the bathroom. Check this out. So this one is also gonna be here with the long mirror. So yeah, so we're just making a quick move. I just wanted to show you guys, give you guys a quick update of like the furniture pieces and the paintings that's being done. And soon, after they finish screeding, we'll start putting all the doors. I think we have 8 doors in this house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 8 doors that we have to replace. All right, guys, that's pretty much a quick update. I just wanted to shoot a quick update video for you guys. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.